So hey everyone, we're here in Piccadilly Circus at the moment. I'm just working on a job in a restaurant called the Criterion restaurant. It was established in 1874. The building's been there for over 200 years. I think it was 1820 when it was first established. I'll just turn it around so you can see there the Criterion, established 1874. And we're just doing some work on the walls, on the floors, and show you around. So we're inside now, the building. As you can see, it's quite a long building. It's now used as a restaurant. It used to be a long bar that was next to a theatre. The place has also been used for many famous meetings, actually. One of the first suffragettes meeting was held here. Winston Churchill has had a few meetings here as well with his cabinet. And yeah, it's been here a while. As you can see, the walls have got a lot of damage on the walls. You can see where water's come through from the other side. Unfortunately, we can't do any real grinding, heavy grinding on this type of marble. It's too old and fragile, so the client's just asked for it to be cleaned, and that's what we're doing at the moment, just cleaning really and sealing as much as we can. And then towards the back, we've got a carpeted area. It's going to be like a VIP area, and we're just taking off all the glue that we have on the floor. Gary's here working away, and you can see the terrazzo that's under the glue. That's what's underneath. That will need to be ground and buffed and shined, and then hopefully we'll be finished in a couple of weeks. Quite a few teams working in the building at the moment. So hopefully we'll be done in time for them to open.
First grind. The first cut is the deepest.
I think it's been done in about 50 years. When you're ready. Yep.
So the terrazzo's come up really nice. Now we've got rid of the glue, taking off the last bit of the glue, and then we can renovate the floor. Yeah, it is nice and even, ready. Just studying it all.
So we're at the end of day 4 and it's coming along nicely. I'm just going to show you what the floor looked like. So this is how it was. You've got loads of carpet glue all over, you can see. And now you can see what we've been working on today. So I've managed to get all the glue off, and tomorrow I'll start diamond grinding and polishing to bring up the shine. So yeah, it should look lovely. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. So we're done with the polishing of the terrazzo. You can see what the floor looked like before, lots of glue, and now it's come up fantastic like glass. It is quite an old terrazzo, so it's quite difficult to get high gloss on it, but it's come up beautiful. You can see the reflection there of the windows behind. If I come down, you can see how shiny it is, and you can see what the floor looked like before. If we come over here, you can see all of the glue that's on the floor. The line just there.
Here's a dry one, a dryish one. Yeah, that's good.